Hey everyone, check out the NAATIP Electric Salad Spinner, a 2-in-1 fruit cleaner and dryer that makes meal prep easier. With just the push of a button, it rapidly spins to dry salad greens and noodles in 45 seconds. The built-in silicone brushes gently remove surface dirt from fruits in only 90 seconds, ensuring your food is clean and fresh. Its transparent bowl is made from food-grade ABS material and holds up to 6.5 liters, with a 5-liter basket capacity. The device features a powerful 2600 mAh battery that fully charges in about 6 hours and can be used approximately 100 times on a single charge. This salad spinner is wireless, convenient, and perfect for quick, healthy meals. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to fresh, crisp greens every time. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.